You may say this is stupid, but I have been paid over $400 almost instantly for less than 1 hour of work. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I want to show you exactly how you can actually use this platform to make money online even as a complete beginner without having your own website. You see, if you go over to futuretools.io, you can find a lot of different AI tools that can do all sorts of different things. You can find AI tools that can do marketing, research, translation, creating videos from all sorts of different things. Now, you don't have to buy any of these AI tools in order to make money. What do you want to do is you want to find their affiliate programs at the bottom of their website. So I found this AI tool over here called Submagic, and this is like an AI tool that helps people edit their short form content. And I found their affiliate program as well. I've signed up to their affiliate program, which is hosted through Rewardful, which is like an external platform, but you essentially just go over here and you find an affiliate network. So that doesn't need to be this software. You can find almost anything else that you think you can promote. If I open up this one, for example, and we go to their website, I'll try and find their affiliate program. If they don't have it at the bottom, then I'll just go to the next one until I find some offer, or I find some software that has an affiliate program at the bottom, so that we can actually make money. Now once you sign up as an affiliate for one of these software companies that you can find in Future Tools, and there's again thousands of different tools that you can promote, then you want to go to YouTube and you want to search for tutorials that teach how to use this AI tool. In this case, I'm going to be promoting Submagic AI tool as an example. So I have searched for how to generate captions with Submagic, and I found a bunch of these tutorials showing how to actually use Submagic. Now what you need to do is you pretty much just need to copy the link address of that YouTube video. You don't have to record any YouTube videos yourself. You don't need to have any social media followers, and you don't need to be in front of the camera in order to make money online with this strategy. So what you want to do is then you want to go over to youtubetranscript.com, and then you want to paste the URL of that YouTube video and click go. And now that's going to give you a full transcript, everything that was said word for word in that exact same video, in that exact same YouTube video. And that talks about your AI tool. Now you just want to copy the entire transcript by clicking on this button over here, and you want to go over to ChatGPT. You want to ask ChatGPT based on the script that you will give it, right, and ask your ChatGPT to write a blog post on that topic, and then just insert the name of the article that you want written. So whatever the title of that YouTube video is, for me the title is how to create viral captions in Submagic, a step-by-step guide. And now here we have pretty much an entire step-by-step guide generated by ChatGPT, and it even explains the pricing models and everything. So what you want to do is you can now copy this one. You can copy this with one press of a button, and you can go over to medium.com, which is this free platform where you can actually share your articles and you can actually get traffic, and it's completely free to do that. And it's completely free to do that. So you can just click on the right button over here, and you can paste the article that ChatGPT wrote for you and remove the unnecessary parts for me. This is just going to be the introduction. So I'm going to highlight that, and then I'm going to get this set. Step number 1 and step number 2, and so on and so forth. And I'll continue customizing my article click by click until I have a full article written like this. Now what I would also do is I would just between these lines create a call to action. So for example, I can say click here to instantly get access, in this case Submagic, and I'll also just copy the link through my Submagic referral code. So I would again just need to log into my account, and I would need to copy my affiliate link. So this is going to be my affiliate link. So I would copy that, and I would go back to Medium, and then I would highlight this part. I would make it bold. I'll insert my affiliate link just like this, so that if anyone clicks if anyone clicks on this, they will be redirected back to Submagic, where again I earn passive income every time someone buys through my link. And I'll just copy and paste this exact same call to action throughout the article, so that when someone is reading this, they can immediately just click on the link sign up to this AI tool, and I'll make money from that. Now I also need to keep on customizing every single step of the process, and then here I also need to insert my link. And also what I recommend is adding a link to that YouTube video that actually explains step by step how to do things because because people really like the visuals, and so it wouldn't hurt you at all, and it would really help with the article if you just copy the link of that YouTube video that you found. It also helps the creator as well, so they would actually be thankful for that. You can just paste the link to that YouTube video. So you basically paste a link like this, you press enter, and now this entire video is going to show up on the screen. And now once it's done, the entire article just look like a little bit better and looks a little bit more engaging now. Again, below the actual video you can just add a call to action, because most likely the people that talks about that tool is also an affiliate, so they will invite people to click the link below the video, and the link below the video in this case is going to be your affiliate link. So what you can do is you can just publish this article with just one press of a button, and just add topics, add keywords that would attract people that are interested in this subject. In this case, I can, for example, type in short form content, or I can just type in Submagic, which is the AI tool that I'm promoting. In this case, I'll just publish this to Medium with one press of a button. Anyways, I really hope you guys got some value out of this video, and if you did, make sure to drop a like down below, and I'll see you in some of the next video.